single shot like I do right now, and I mash down on the trigger, you're gonna see this bar elevate. What the top of there, and it recycles this because it's gonna go back inside here, and this is
article barrel, right? So determine those, right? 15 minutes since last. Something like that. And then I'm going to lubricate. So I'm just going to take my authorized lubricant, which is LSA, LSAT, GMD. Rotate, and then all you do use the carrying handle, just ensure that you pop a lot more. Put it up, Mom. There's some this way, there's some
right. And the way to attack it, he fits from
So when you wreck shit hard, you wreck to the rear, it'll lock. There you go.
steps. That's BREC. That's the process we use in getting the gun up on the stake.
With the trigger.
I'll tell you either in or out, and then that's where you'll move.
They'll come get us, and then we'll push to ambush site, Saturn.
Last man. Fire team or
Here to go. Him, you, then me. I'll be last.
first like
It's going to go both ways for the enemy and for us. Basically,
They'll do like a recon to the